understand how exhausting childbirth can be. I've assessed your wife's condition and I recommend she abstain from sexual activities for the maximum of 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah, 6 months. At least that will help her recovery process. I am so sorry about the way everything went through. I know it's really not easy for you. I can't imagine you seeing your wife carry your baby for over 9 months and after everything it ends up in a stillbirth. I'm so sorry for everything.
Thank you, doctor.
Alright, she really needs a lot of recovery process. I mean, not just her physical outlook, but the entire system. Most especially her womb. So, total abstinence from several activities for at least 6 months will help her recuperation process. Right, and okay, your documents are ready. So you can just sign them at the reception when you're leaving. And again, your daily routine check tests will be ready in a few days. So whenever it is ready, I'll put a call across to you so you can come and pick it up.
Thank you very much, doctor. I really appreciate this.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about everything.
No, it's okay. We family will walk through this together.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Alright, doc. Thank you. I'll just meet the receptionist.
Okay.
Sorry. It's okay. Sit down here, okay? Are you okay? Let me get some water. Okay. Got some water for you. Here you go. Baby, stop crying, okay? Do you want to drink some water? Baby, you need to stop crying, okay? God who gave us would give us again. Alright? Yeah, some water. It's okay.
After 9 months of carrying this baby in my womb.
Baby, I understand. I was here with you all through the time. We carried this child together. Even if it was in your womb. But we did this together. And like I said, God who gave us before will give us again. They say God's time is the best. Don't you believe it? You need to be strong. I really need you to be strong and calm. This would pass, okay?
Okay.
Let's go upstairs. Yes, come here. Sorry. Take it easy, okay? Hey, baby.
Good morning.
Look who's strong this morning. How are you feeling?
I'm getting better.
Okay, come and sit down. There you go.
You better not abandon me when I'm fully recovered, because if you do, I will never forgive you.
And why would I abandon you? I'm doing all this just to make sure you recover on time because I don't want my princess to be sick.
Let me watch my program.
Come here.
Love you.
Hey, I'm not done cleaning already. I'm just putting finishing touches, you know.
Go away.
Hey.
I love you.
Little mosquito.
Butterfly. favorite.
You didn't put too much sugar this time.
Just how you like it.
Hello? Jeff?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, good morning, Jeff. How is your wife?
She's better.
Good to hear that. I just want to tell you that your test is out.
Alright, fine. I'll be there. Bye.
Baby, who's that?
It's the doctor. He says my test result is out and I should pass by and pick it up.
Oh, should I come with you? Please?
Are you sure you can come?
Mm-hmm.
You're strong enough, why not? Hey, doctor. Good day.
Yeah, good day. Please do have a seat.
Thank you.
So, how are you doing now?
Let me help you with this.
Doctor. And thanks to my husband for doing everything possibly to make sure I'm fine.
Wow. It's so nice of your husband.
Yes.
That's so nice. Okay, with respect to the diagnosis results,
Yeah.
I would like your wife to please step out for a minute or two so I can speak with you.
Oh no, there's absolutely no need for that. She's my best friend and wife, so whatever you have to say, you can say in her presence.
Yes.
We don't keep secrets.
I know you don't keep secrets, yes, but then I insist. Please.
And doctor,
just-
I insist that she stays. And besides, I would prefer she hears it from you rather than me coming to report it to her later.
Okay, then if
Please.
you insist.
Thank you.
According to the diagnosis result, I'm sorry to tell you that your husband might likely have prostate cancer. Yes, and well, the symptoms visible in the samples used for the diagnosis show the presence of urinary problems, dominance and weakness, and even some elements of erectile dysfunction.
Are you serious about this? I mean, how does my husband go about that? You told me about a week ago to stay away from sex. I mean, I'm his wife, and how do you think he would go about that?
Just calm down, okay? It's okay. Doctor, this is way too much. Isn't there any other solution to this?
I've said it a better way. Regular sex. I mean, regular sex at least 3 to 4 times in a week.
Doctor, are you sure about this? Don't you think there's a mistake somewhere or something?
Oh,
Doctor.
Come on, Dr. Jeff doesn't make mistake with such diagnosis. Your husband knows me too well. I've been his doctor since when he was a bachelor.
Maybe don't worry, when we get home, we'll talk more about it, okay?
I really don't get this.
Babe, can you just calm down, okay? Huh?
I don't understand.
Babe, calm down. First of all, the doctor says that you need to be relaxed so you can recover.
Babe, no. Does it even make any sense? Think about this. Does it? It's telling you to have sex regularly and me abstain from sex. Does he want to ruin our home? Does he?
Well, you can't fault him. He's just a doctor. He's doing his job.
No. Please stop this thing you're saying. It's in your favor. That's why you're so relaxed.
I'm not relaxed. I just don't want you to be worked out. Okay?
Whatever this thing is, we have to just figure a way out. I can't stand it.
Babe.
Honestly. Babe, I can't stand it.
Babe. struggling right now, you know. If he wasn't a doctor by now, he's a madman. Of course. He's a doctor, so he says to tell me the truth. That means. But it's not something I can discuss on the phone. The way you did, man, just want me to go talk. Let me call you back.
Which place are you going?
My friend's place.
Your friend's place? You go nowhere.
What do you mean I go nowhere? Am I a puppet that you tell me where to go and not to go?
I'm not better yet, babe. I'm not.
Okay, you and I know that you are better. You're doing okay. Okay, so let's not do this. Please.
Babe, you go nowhere. We have a situation at hand, and the situation has to be fixed.
And you think Ranton is going to fix it? I am going somewhere, okay? I'm not going to cheat, so please excuse me.
Babe, we have a situation to... Babe, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
What do you mean I go nowhere?
House.
Huh? So because there's no sense I should have sex. Now I cannot leave the house?
Look.
Am I a prisoner in my own house?
You're not leaving this house until we fix this.
Then what are you doing to fix it? All you're doing is trying to resort to conflict. Do something then. What are you saying?
What do you want me to say? So you want me to allow you go sleep around with different women?
If that's what's going to cost to save my life, then I will use my thing and save my life.
Hey. Wow. Really?
Yes, really. So what? I should die or go numb? Look, if I have to use this thing to save my life, I will go and use it. It is doctor's prescription. I didn't ask for it. What should I do? He said if I don't have sex 3 to 4 times a week, I will die. I'll go numb. I cannot do that.
That's enough. You know what? It's fine. It's okay. Go around and use your pee-pee as you want. As you please.
It's not just the pee-pee. It's bigger than that.
I don't want to lose my husband. I don't know what to do. How the hell am I supposed to hand my husband over to some random chick out there? How? I don't know, man.
Why are you telling your friend about my condition? I don't understand. What's going on? Why are you telling your friend about my condition?
So it's okay for you to speak to your friend about it, and it's not okay for me to speak to my friends about it?
Comparing my situation with my friend and your friend, it's not the same! Your friend is a woman. Can't you just think about it for a minute? What if she goes and starts gossiping about my situation to her other friends out there? That I'm about to have cancer, or my Ogbonna is not working anymore? How would you feel about that? Huh? No, please just listen, please. It hurts me that you are more concerned about me going out to cheat than my health. That is selfish of you. Come on.
Masturbate.
Oh.
Yes.
You masturbate.
What's wrong with masturbation? That's the only thing I could think of right now.
And
Masturbation.
How long should I be doing that for? You want to masturbate 3 to 4 times every week for the next 6 months? Do you know the consequences of masturbation?
Do you have any other idea of what we should do to fix this?
Definitely not masturbation. So you're not serious.
Okay. That's the only solution to this problem. Masturbation.
You're really kidding me right now.
I'm not.
Well, the answer is hell no. I'm not going to be beating my meat. Come, I can't even think about this. That's okay?
Babe. Babe.
You should be masturbating yourself.
This is the only solution to this problem. Do you have any other idea? Oh my god. Babe.
What?
Relax now.
What?
I think I have a perfect solution for this.
What? I should go and use soap or palm oil?
Relax.
Huh?
What's the difference between masturbation and soap?
Listen, what's the solution?
I feel like we should hire a girl, not a girl. Girls are horrible. Let's hire a woman that you can be sleeping with every now and then.
I don't know about this, but is she going to be staying here?
Yes, babe, because I have to be monitoring your movements. Every move you make with her here in the house. And also, we'll have to sign an agreement.
What kind of agreement is that?
Don't worry, you see when I draft it.
Look, I'm not sure about this. But if this is going to work, then I would have to see her. And besides, do you have any particular girl in mind?
Okay, just give me 2 days.
2 days.
2 days. Okay?
2 days.
A call.
Yeah.
You have to continue cooking.
Why do I need to continue?
The lady, I have to see somebody very important right now.
Who is it?
The lady for your...
Okay. Well, you said it's in 2 days' time.
God is on your side. God is on... Continue. I'll be right back.
What should I do?
Just go ahead, do anything, babe.
Yeah. I gave my wife the document to keep for me. I think she said it's somewhere in the room here. It's the one in the brown envelope. Oh yeah, I've seen it. Okay, so I'll just go through it and then I'll get back to you on everything. Yeah. Oh yes, yes. It was signed 4 weeks ago. Let me call you back, yeah? All right. Isn't this the same guy she said was obsessed over her?
Come on now, let's just keep this. Let's keep it.
Okay.
Let's keep it.
That's like a kangaroo. The neck is too long.
You're so funny. Oh, that's Harrison.
This is long nose.
He was so obsessed with me in school then.
Ah,
It was just like a cycle. You know when a lost puppy is chasing somebody?
that's crazy.
That's how it was.
Oh, thank God
I
you
mean-
took care from me. Yeah.
Love is a beautiful thing, but obsession.
Are you in love with him?
No, it was obsessed with me.
Next.
I hate you. You're annoying. How could you send me to her? How? Do you even know her? Huh? So unperfect. How do you even mean? Do you even know anything about this person? Oh my God. What do you mean, issue of pregnancy?
Baby, back?
Let me text you instead. Hey, babe.
How did it go?
Babe, it was a total mess.
Oh, at least tell me about it.
Can we not talk about this now, okay? Please?
Okay. Well, your voice was quite loud.
Hello? Yes, this is Dr. Harrison. How have you been surviving? Okay then. Well, I have a job for you. I will send you the details and what you need to do. Good. Okay then.
Who are you texting that you knows my presence?
I'm just texting my friend about the lady I went to see today.
Well, I thought it was off. Yeah, it's over 2 weeks now concerning what the doctor said about my health. I haven't had sex and I don't feel any symptoms.
That's why we need to hurry. We need to do whatever it takes to fix this as soon as possible.
Concerning the doctor, can you recall anything about him?
The doctor. Am I supposed to recall anything about the doctor? He's been our friend and doctor for years.
That's why I'm finding it hard to believe what you're thinking.
What are you thinking? Do you, by any means, have to know about something I don't know about?
No, not in my life. So, what about the girl or woman you were supposed to meet up?
Just call her a girl. She never changes.
Do you know her?
Babe, I'm really tired right now. I want to go to bed. Can we talk about this later or something?
Babe, why are you going to this early?
I'm going to see the lady we discussed about last night, babe.
The one you said is still a girl, huh?
Yeah.
It's just past 8 a.m.
Babe, I know. But she requested we see by 8. And don't worry, I made breakfast. In case you're hungry, there's breakfast on the dining for you.
Just that I have a serious chest pain, and when I tried to use the restroom, I could barely walk.
Chest pain. Are you okay?
Deeply piercing.
Oh. Oh, should we... How'd you feel?
Go and do your
Babe,
thing,
stop.
okay?
This is not a
Just
joke
don't-
now. Stop playing.
Don't take too much time so I don't get to miss you.
Are you fine? I can actually stay back if you want me to.
I was
Please.
just joking with you.
Yeah. Sure you're going to be fine. Okay. So, I'm done. I'll see you when I see you.
Don't take too long, okay?
No, I wouldn't.
Hi, my name is Cynthia. You can have your seat.
Let's just skip these formalities, okay? And go straight to business.
Okay, very well then. What is it about?
I told my friend I already told you.
And I want to hear it from you.
Cynthia, you haven't changed at all, have you?
Change? I can't change in this cruel world. The world is too cruel for me to be soft for anybody or anything.
Yes, the world is too cruel. As you. Come to think of it. How come you ended up not having children?
I see we are here to talk about me and not your husband. Anyways, I already know that your husband needs a sex toy to play with.
So are you agreeing to be my husband's sex toy?
I don't mind as long as I get paid. Send me your address and I'll be there.
Very well then. Very well.
What is it?
So, you want to sleep in this kind of situation?
What situation now? We've been through this before. Let's sleep.
That is not a problem.
No.
Do you think it's easy to let another woman stay in the same house as you and your husband?
Okay. I have a solution. Let's rent an apartment for her, and whenever I want to do, I go there and do.
Are you crazy? Have you lost it? Do you even listen? Oh, fuck.
I'm just joking. Okay? I'm just joking.
That is not happening. Not in this life, not the next. I want to watch every of your moves with her.
But you know it will come with a price. Because you know how to see every single thing and stand it. Baby, I know it's not easy. But we have to do it. Okay? Besides, you said your guest is coming by 8 a.m. tomorrow. Let's sleep. Come here, sleep. Come. Yeah. Come here. Love you.
Don't like this.
Morning.
Hey, morning, babe.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just making something. Kitchen.
Hi, good morning.
It wouldn't hurt if you had knocked, you know.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to knock, actually.
Babe, this is Cynthia. Cynthia, my husband.
Hi.
This is the girl we've been waiting for.
Oh, you've actually been waiting for me? Oh, that's nice. Hi. My name is Cynthia.
Hi.
The way you were looking, have we met before? Huh?
Come, let me show you to your room.
Cute man.
So, this is where you be staying. Not bad. Oh, and don't forget to come to the living room to sign the agreement document, same as the rules and regulation one, okay?
Noted. So many things to sign. Jeez. Life has thrown my past at me. Let's see how it goes then. Nice place.
You know your outfit is too short and seductive.
Short? For your husband that will soon be dancing on my bed? Oh, please.
If my wife says your clothes is short, then it's short. Go and change it.
Anyways, that's the document.
Not bad. The rules are quite simple. You know, all I just want is for you to pay me after my service and get your husband to do the needful. Because I'm too hot to be ignored.
You must be very, very mad! Just imagine.
Are you fine with this?
Babe, you know I'm not fine with this. So stop asking me. Jesus.
Ooh, I knew you would come.
How did my wife?
The question should be, how did your wife know me and not how I knew your wife? Anyways, you're looking more handsome. I see she's really taking good care of you. Sweet man.
Nothing is going to happen between you and I. You stay here 6 months. After 6 months, you get paid and get out, okay?
So what are you going to do, huh?
I'll take care of myself.
Oh, I see. You're such a cheat. Anyways, it's none of my business. As long as I get paid and get fed 3 times a day.
You disgust me.
I know, I disgust everyone. Nice meeting you again. Oh, he still looks sweet. Oh my goodness.
Babe? Babe, are you there?
Yeah, baby.
What would you? There's no screaming and running.
She can't hear us. Oh, baby.
Shut up your mouth.
She's not sleeping. She's in the room.
Shut up, what would you?
Oh,
Babe.
You couldn't even wait a night.
It's not what it looks like, okay? Babe. Babe.
What are you doing?
hey. Good morning.
Hey, hold your good morning to yourself. What exactly are you doing?
I'm trying to make breakfast for us.
And who told you can come into my kitchen to make breakfast? Look, you have a business and the kitchen is definitely not your business. Okay?
Okay. I see that someone is really pained about last night. Trust me, honey, your husband is so sweet. You need to see the way he took me to Cloud 9. Oh my gosh. It was...
Will you get out of this kitchen now? Get out of my kitchen! Will you get out of my kitchen? Before I pour you this hot water! Get out!
Easy, take it easy.
You're still here. Stupid girl.
Hey! Look at you. So you can actually sleep with somebody else and not me, huh? Me, that's your favorite baby.
But that was before I found out the real you.
Babe, I hope you haven't forgotten that I told you I'll be having dinner with the girls.
Yeah, I know. So maybe you should go get dressed and get good so you don't come back too late, okay?
Okay, baby. Alright. Sorry.
Babe, your phone. Babe?
I'm having dinner with the girls.
Can I drop you?
Oh, no. You don't need to bother yourself, okay? I only came here to ask you, how do I look? Oh, my phone. Thank you, honey. How do I look? I look good, right? I know. See ya. I love you. Hold on. So you wanted to propose to me?
And that would have been the biggest mistake I'd have made in my life.
No, honey, I would have been a changed person. Babe! Whoa. Babe!
Why are you calling me at this time? I thought I told you don't call me with my family, okay? Hey, look. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't. Hey.
Hey, babe. Who's on the phone?
It's no one important. Just work. You know I haven't been to the office in some time now, so I get calls back and forth. But there's nothing. My manager will handle it. Okay? Okay.
What are you doing? Are you about to sleep? Sleeping? Are you not supposed to see Cynthia today? It's fine, just go. Don't worry, I'll be here waiting for you. Okay? Go.
Bye. I won't be long.
It's fine, just go. It's okay. Go. It's okay.
Wait. That's the bed.
You know, that's not the bed.
Yeah, that's the bed. Come.
Are you sure?
Yes.
The room is stunning anyway.
Yes, the room you're turning too.
Are you sure?
Just come here.
Let me tell you a story.
Yeah.
So I met a guy today and we had sex. Oh my gosh, the guy was so cool.
So you met a guy today. You barely know him and you had sex with him.
He's so good.
You will never change.
No.
Hey, stop.
Oh.
Wait, say, listen. Stop it, okay?
What? Stop what? Don't stop anything.
Babe. Hey, babe. Don't do this. Come on. You know I don't like seeing you like this. Huh? I know it's not easy. But look, we've 3 months gone. And so when you leave, you would have me all to yourself. Okay? I'm sorry.
I told you not to call me when I'm with my family. The last time you did, my wife almost caught me.
Well, I called you because I needed some money. I can't continue to do this if you're not being helpful to me.
Glory, I pay you double. And you still call me and ask me for stuff. Look, you and I are not romantically involved in any way. I think I clearly outlined the terms of our arrangement. Don't overestimate your importance, okay? I need to transfer to you now. I'll see you soon.
Where are you coming from?
To take care of something.
And what could that be?
It's personal.
Look, since when did things start getting personal between us? Since when did things start getting personal between us? Since when? These days, you really just go out and come back too late or too early. Talk to me! Is there something you're not telling me? Is there?
Who knows? Maybe he is keeping something from you, or better still, seeing someone else.
Shut up. Shut your mouth. I wasn't talking to you. What's going on? What is going on?
I don't know. I've been feeling like this lately.
You've been feeling like... Wait a minute. Don't tell me. You're pregnant?
Pregnant? Come on, you and I know that's not even possible.
What is not possible? From the look of things, it's looking like you're pregnant. And if you're even pregnant, who is responsible?
If I am pregnant, then you should know who is responsible. Come on, I don't think I'm pregnant. But if I am, then it's good news.
It can't be. It can't be. No.
What? Man, you should be happy for me because to me it's good news. Besides, you can't deny the fact that your husband has been cheating on you too. So don't stand there giving
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth. Stop talking rubbish. My husband would never do such to me. He would never!
They play.
Look at you. You're here to destroy my marriage like you did in the past. Isn't it?
Honey, that was in the past and that wasn't even marriage. That was just a mere relationship. I am here to open your eyes. Your husband is cheating on you and just stop whining. You should be happy for me. You should be happy for me. Gosh, please, I just pray that I'm pregnant. Because I'm gonna keep the baby. Honestly.
Oh my God. No. It can't be. I mean... No.
And where are you going to?
And who's asking? Why are you asking me where I'm going to my own house? Are you okay?
You're going to see her, right?
Can you shut up your mouth? My wife would hear you.
And who says she doesn't know? Listen, women are not that stupid, okay? Especially the ones called wife.
And what does that mean?
Honey, are you going?
Nowhere. I'm just here.
Good. I need you upstairs now.
All right. Babe, are you okay? This one, your legs shaking like the head of a lizard.
Yes, I am.
And what is this? Why are you acting like this?
Is this something you want to tell me?
No. Is there something you think I should be telling you? What are you doing with the pregnancy?
Here, use this.
You'll never cease to surprise me. Here, I did it already and it came out positive.
What if it's for somebody else? I mean, you always find a way to ruin everything I have. Look, I don't want you to ruin my marriage because of your greed and selfishness, okay?
Hey, why label it as greed? You hired me for a job and I am simply fulfilling it for you. What is wrong with you? Listen, I don't give two hoots about you and your husband. I am keeping this baby and that's on period.
Look at you. I thought you had changed. But you're still exactly the same person over the years.
Hey, honey, why can't you be happy for me? Be happy for me, for goodness sake. I thought I had lost hope of conceiving. Now this happened. Why can't you just be...
He is my husband!
Okay.
How the hell do you want me to be happy for you? I wish I could, but I can't. I can't. You just always find a way to ruin everything for me, even in the past.
What is wrong with you? I am only trying to make you understand that you can't trust men. You can't trust a man.
I love you, baby. And I miss you so much. I can't wait to see you. Okay, baby. Bye.
People with a relationship, I beg you.
Rest. Single people.
Please, point of correction, okay? I am not single. I have them in quantums, in hundreds. Yes, I have lots of men. Just that it's not as serious as yours. I mean, come on. How can a pretty girl like you give all this beauty to one man? A man that is clearly cheating on you. Gosh.
What is your problem? Relax, okay? You don't even know this person from anywhere. You have never set your koro eyes on the person. Now you're telling me, why the hate? Why do you hate him so much?
Sis, I don't hate him, okay? I'm only trying to advise you to be careful. Yes, because a man that has cheated on you once will cheat on you over and over and over again. Okay? Come on.
Relax, okay? He's not going to cheat on me.
Oh.
And moreover, I'm going to see him tomorrow, okay? I'm meeting him tomorrow. I just want you to know.
Okay, just be happy.
Period.
Alright? Oh, sis, this man has comebacks. Like, jeez. Me, I know they carry them to anything, no. I want our money. You know what they say. I don't get time for Romeo and Juliet. Who come and go add Titanic now? I don't get this time.
Okay, go. Rest.
No, okay. By the time they break your heart, I will give you pillow. When you go use cry. Then I will make breakfast in bed for you.
Rest.
When they serve you the first breakfast, I go use the breakfast in bed complemental.
Rest.
What's this one? Hey, God. So it's because of this your engagement, whatever. That's why you're feeling yourself and doing like a mother hen.
Oh, please shut up. You always have a way of spoiling people's moods. Why? Huh? I hate it so much. But anyways, we're having a celebration for the engagement party and I don't have friends. I wish I had, but I'm stuck with you. So, thank God you're dressed. And he says he's going to send his address. Okay? Cool.
Thank God I'm dressed. He said he's going to send his address. I'm dressed for to do what?
Let's go to the engagement party.
Hell no, darling. I have better things to do with my time. Okay? Love a girl.
Whatever. Anyways, I need to use the bathroom. didn't even call me, and it's so late. Is he okay? Is everything okay? I don't understand. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. No. No. No, 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 no. What? Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeff?
What did I just hear? You guys are siblings?
No, we're not siblings.
I thought you told me you didn't have any family. You lied to me.
Well, you lied to me too.
How?
How? Hold on. So who is the girl you're cheating on me with?
That's not the topic right now, okay? It's a long story. Besides, I never cheated on you, okay?
You did not cheat on me. Well, let's make that a topic.
Both of you.
Both of us what? Who is the girl? Who is the girl you were cheating on?
So you two are siblings. I'm talking to you!
Yes.
You two are siblings, right?
Yes, we were.
You were. And you slept with her man. Huh? I wasn't enough for you. Your promiscuous self could sleep with everyone and anyone. Tall, short, fat, crippled. Any kind of man that brings himself there, you will collect. What kind of human being are you? And you are trying to allow history to repeat itself again.
Hold up. I'm confused.
Well, I dated your sister here. Or your cousin or whatever she is. This sorry human being here couldn't just keep her legs closed. What a wicked soul.
Wait. I'm still confused. Are you trying to say that you guys dated?
I am not trying to say anything. I am telling you that I dated your cousin a while ago.
Oh my god. I can't take this. I honestly can't.
You disgust me. Between you and Sokaway, no difference.
Your stay with us has been quite a journey. And your agreement ends tomorrow. Now that you're pregnant and my husband isn't the father of the child because he didn't touch you.
Yes, he didn't. He's not the father, but he touched me once.
No idea. Remember, you always had a dildo with you due to your insatiable sexual urges. So I used the dildo on you to satisfy you. And you were practically very drunk that night. You said you had sex with an unknown person, remember?
How can you do this to me? That's barbaric.
Yes, also Mama Rick and Papa Rick.
Okay? But I'll do anything to protect my family.
You don't, come on. That's okay. You don't have to cry.
Honestly, there's no need to cry. The life you have lived so far is worse than any woman you ever thought of living. I would advise you focus on yourself, and now that you're pregnant, work on being a good mother to your child so your child doesn't turn out to be like you. Okay? And I am not the father of your child. So check for the father of your child, or probably check if your dildo got you pregnant. Or maybe you met a silicone baby. Who knows? I'll be outside, huh?
Take your time. Take your time. It's okay. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A hug, please.
It's okay.
Well, what did I do?
Oh. You're already.
Good morning.
Yeah, money.
Cynthia, you're leaving already.
Yes, I am. And I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for me and for giving me enough time to fix myself.
Well, that's fine. I would like you to take good care of yourself and the baby.
Sure.
And for your own information, I'll be expecting.
No.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, babe.
For you?
For real.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cynthia, please, can you just stay for an extra hour, please?
Okay.
I'd just like us to...
Jeff, why have you been avoiding my calls?
Why did you walk into my house like a police officer?
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
My name is Glory, and I'm your husband's mistress. I'm here because he stopped taking my calls.
Then you should stop calling if he stops taking your call. What is wrong with you? Wait a minute, Jeff. Is this the lady you were cheating on me with? No, don't give me that look. Just because I choose not to talk doesn't mean I'm stupid, okay?
Do not address me that way, because I am carrying his child.
Sis! Let's take her to the hospital. Sis, are you okay? Sis!
Doctor, I must say thank you for coming at the right time.
Girl, it's nothing. I mean, what are friends for?
Well, since we are all gathered here, I don't think anyone is missing. It's important we address the elephant in the room.
What elephant in the room?
It's quite big and smelly. Well, this man here, Dr. Harrison, is not my friend. He has been doing everything to destroy my family. He went as far as giving me fake test results about my health. Are you surprised?
Why would he do that?
Well, because he's been obsessed with my wife.
Wait, honey. That's a long time ago. And it shouldn't even be a good reason for him to try to ruin my marriage. Right, Harrison?
Don't you dare mention my name. I did everything for you. Paid your bills. You made me believe you loved me, whereas you never did.
Wait, are you trying to say that all this were planned? Like he was never sick?
How did you find out, baby?
Well, I was looking for the documents I told you to keep for me some time ago. And there I found a picture that you showed me a while back, remember?
Yeah.
Your old friends.
Yeah.
There was a guy called Harrison I told you was very ugly and looked like a monkey.
Yeah, I remember that.
That's the Harrison. So, I brought on suspicion and I had to consult a different doctor to consult the test. And guess what the result was? Negative.
Wow. Then, who is she?
Glory. Glory happens to be a woman that this same doctor paid to ensure she sleeps with me. But I paid her double of the money that you paid her to make sure she doesn't sleep with me. But play along.
So you weren't sleeping with him? And you were collecting my money?
I'm sorry about that.
So how come you claim that you're pregnant?
Because I am pregnant.
For who?
For the doctor. And he also wanted me to pin the pregnancy on your husband.
Harrison! How could you do this? Jesus! How could you try to ruin my home?
Ruin your marriage? When your sister already did? Don't tell me you don't know your sister is pregnant for your husband.
Says who? Who told you that?
Oh.
Your face looks familiar. I think I've seen you before, right?
I don't know you from anywhere, Ma.
Your face looks familiar. Yes, it was you, the guy from the bar. I remember you. It was you.
Okay, yes, I am the guy at the bar. Good. You see, the truth is this. I knew I couldn't trust Glory here. So I had to pull up a plan B just to get back at you. I had to get your sister pregnant just to keep up with the plan of getting back at you. You see, your sister thought she couldn't conceive anymore due to the numerous abortions she has done in the past. So I had to lie to her when she came to my office for some tests and all that. I actually did all this just to get back at you for breaking my heart.
Harrison! You!
Sit down.
Harrison.
Sit. So that was your plan B, right? Let me tell you what plan C, D, E, F is. I'm going to call the police on you. And they'll get you arrested because you have no business being called a doctor. You have ruined people's lives with your lies and your little pee-pee. And you will not try it again.
Anyway, as a good friend, I think I have to take my leave now.
Open your mouth, sit down there.
If you stand up, I will beat you black, blue, red, and purple before the police comes back. Because my blood now, if they shake me, make I break your head. Now sit down there, you bastard!
In-law, please. In-law, please.
In-law!
In-law, please.
In-law!
Don't commit murder.
Baby, please just take it easy.
You're going to stay here and wait for the police to arrest you. Call the police.
You know I'm a humble doctor.
Shut your mouth up.
I'm kneeling already.
Come on, OJ, shut up your mouth.
One more from here and I will slap you. Are you mad?